Hello everyone, welcome to Desilicious kitchen. Restaurant style dal tadka recipe. Let's see how to make it. I have washed and soaked and drained the dal. I have used 1 cup tur dal, half cup moong dal, half cup chana dal. You can use any combination of dal or even a single dal like tur dal for instance. Then I'm adding green chillies, some ginger, garlic, onions, tomatoes, turmeric powder, red chilli powder, coriander powder, some black cardamoms, bay leaves, salt, add water and allow whistles. 1 whistle on high flame and 4 on a low flame. Remove all the akka garam masala, mash the dal and add hot water to adjust consistency. Bring to a boil, switch off the flame. Now let's do the tadka in ghee and oil, cumin seeds, dry red chillies, garlic pieces. Until the garlic changes color, switch off the flame and add hing, turmeric powder, red chilli powder, kasuri methi and amchur powder. Add this awesome tadka to the dal. Delicious dal tadka is ready. Enjoy. If you like this video, press the like button, subscribe if you haven't, and leave a comment and share this video. Thank you.